Welcome to this short tutorial. In this short tutorial, we are going to see how to pronounce this word. This word is pronounced as disseminate. 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 Let's see its meaning. It's a verb. It means to spread something, especially information, widely. Let's see its use in sentences. The organization aims to disseminate information about health and safety to the public. Social media has made it easier to disseminate news quickly across the globe. The researchers worked hard to disseminate their findings through academic journals. It is a teacher's responsibility to disseminate knowledge effectively to the students. Let's see some more sentences. The government launched a campaign to disseminate accurate information about the new policy. Flyers were distributed to disseminate details about the upcoming community event. Non-profit organizations often rely on partnerships to disseminate their message widely. Advances in technology have improved the ways we can disseminate educational materials. Thank you for watching.